Thanks for joining us again. I'm Mike. This is our 1967 Pink Pig, the same as a 911 912 body. Initially, this car was bought in the States for $800 from a customer of ours. He had wanted to get rid of it. It was a car that had a number of decent panels on that I thought we could sell. Plans have changed, and over the course of time, we've realized that we needed a car to show people where the parts fit, how they fit, and to show, just in general, how these parts go on. As you can see, all the parts are outlined by red lines, and then the part numbers are on the car. The reason the car is painted pink is it is a copy of the 917 race car, which was produced by Porsche. Lore has it that the car was painted pink overnight by the mechanics in the garage. The lines on the Pink Pig, the original Pink Pig, were to distinguish meat cuts. So we've gone a little bit different. We are distinguishing our parts with the red lines and the red numbers. You will be able to see this car at Hershey this coming summer. Also, the car has been in LA and has been in Hershey in the past and a few other places. We will be changing a number of parts when we produce them on the car. And then you will be able to see how these parts go on. Thanks for checking us out at Restoration Design. If you have any questions, give us a call or send us an email. In the future, look for our install videos on the website.